Node.js developers, are your apps slowing down like an old browser on dial-up? Don't worry, we're about to turbocharge your Node.js app with performance tuning secrets. Let's get started. Welcome back to the Coder Therapist, your go-to place for tech fixes and career upgrades. Today, we're diving into Node.js performance tuning, a must-know for every backend developer. Know the bottlenecks. First, you've got to identify the bottlenecks. Is it the CPU? Memory? Or slow I/O operations? Use profiling tools like Node.js built-in performance hooks. Or libraries like clinic.js to pinpoint where the lag is coming from. Optimize event loop and asynchronous code. Node.js works best with its non-blocking event loop, but using it the wrong way can slow things down. Don't use blocking code for heavy tasks. Instead, move those tasks to worker threads or child processes. You can also use tools like bowl.js to handle long-running jobs efficiently. Use streams wisely. Dealing with large datasets? Streams are your best friend. Instead of loading everything into memory, use readable streams or writable streams to process data chunk by chunk. Efficient and memory-friendly. Caching for the win. Why keep asking the database the same questions? Use caching tools like Redis or Memcake to store frequent queries or session data. It's like having your app's cheat sheet ready. Manage memory like a pro. Memory leaks can ruin your app. Tools like heapdump or node inspect can detect these leaks. And always set memory limits for your containers in production environments. Compress and optimize responses. Heavy responses slow down client-server communication. Use gzip or Brotli compression to reduce response sizes. And for the front end, serve minified JavaScript and CSS files. Use cluster module for multi-core CPUs. Node.js by default uses a single thread, but your machine probably has multiple cores just chilling. Use the cluster module to fork processes and distribute the workload. It's like turning your solo performance into a full-blown orchestra. Monitor and iterate. Tuning isn't a one-time thing. Use monitoring tools like New Relic, AppDynamics, or open-source options like Prometheus and Grafana to keep an eye on your app's health and make continuous improvements. And that's it. By following these tips, you'll supercharge your Node.js apps and make them run faster than a speed coding challenge. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech hacks, and let us know in the comments, what's your biggest Node.js performance challenge? See you in the next video.